May is Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month, in which we celebrate the achievements, contributions, and influence of Asian and Pacific Islander Americans. That includes the CEO of Therapeutics, Lihua Zheng, who is helping lead new treatment solutions for pancreatic cancer. He had more to share about it here at the Exchange. Let's take a look.
We are working on a novel therapeutics for pancreatic cancer. So pancreatic cancer is one of the deadliest cancer. And in the US alone, each year, more than 66,000 people were diagnosed with pancreatic cancer. And sadly, more than 51,000 people cannot survive. And all over the world, there are actually more than 500,000 new patients for each year. And diagnosis, many of these patients are actually at a very late stage. It's very hard for them to survive for more than 5 years. Actually, the 5-year survival rate is in the single digits. And we are actually trying to change that. Our goal is to provide an option for these patients. So we use a new therapeutics modality which actually brings the immune cells to the cancer cells. So just think of it as a matchmaker. It matches the immune cells with cancer and then target the cancer cells specifically. And what's more exciting is this treatment has been tested in a population of patients in a phase 1 clinical trial. And the data actually is quite exciting. We saw very meaningful tumor shrinkage in some of those patients. So really, we feel it's a top of therapeutics that can potentially make a difference for these patients.
What is the differentiator, Lihua, with your particular company and the T-cell engager that you just spoke about?
So this T-cell engager is specially designed to overcome the challenges that pancreatic cancer patients face. All existing treatment, they face two main challenges. One is the pancreatic cancer usually are very, very dense. It's wrapped in a very, very hard envelope. So drugs has a very, very hard time to enter this tumor tissue. The second challenge is that pancreatic cancer is very good at resisting the treatment. Even some drugs can enter the tissue cell. These drugs these cancer cells can evade, can escape this kind of treatment, can still survive. So these are the main challenges. And our approach is very, very unique because it really can tackle this very tough disease with very unique features. So for on the one side, the T-cell engager can actively pull and bring immune cells to the cancer cells. So that can turn very cold pancreatic cancer into hot pancreatic cancer. So meaning there are active immune systems within the cancer tissue. And the second feature of this approach is that we really activate our own immune system rather than just poison the cancer cell, deliver drug and then poison the cancer cells. We activate our own immune system and make the immune system recognize the cancer cells and can kill the cancer cells. So that can make it more durable, theoretically, and also more targeted with less side effects.
Mm-hmm. I see here, Lihua, that you co-founded Therapeutics, which merged into NYSE-listed company NUVB just last year. What did you learn from that, and how has it shaped what you're doing now?
Therapeutics, it's a very good journey. collaborated or partnered with one of the top Japanese pharma company called Daiichi Sankyo, and they developed a lung cancer drug. We were pretty successful in developing that drug. We received breakthrough therapy designation from FDA, and with those data, we were successfully raised $100 million in equity financing and completed the trials. And we expect the drug to be approved next month by FDA. So we finger crossed for that. And so we learned from our experience that it's really, really important to build a company upon a solid science, very, very solid science, and very strong team, and to find the right partnership. So I think that's what we did and what we learned from our experience. I'm going to bring this experience, bring what we learned to our new company, and hopefully we can advance this exciting pancreatic cancer program into later clinical development and approval, and hopefully bring hope for patients.
And thanks again there to Lihua Zheng. He's the CEO of Z-Star Therapeutics, of course, to celebrate AAPI.